Good morning, team. Justin here. Hope you're doing really good today. Today we're announcing Card of the Quarter, a time when the stars align and it gives one card more benefits and more earnings back, cash back, reward points back on your spending than most any other cards. This is the first time we're doing Card of the Quarter, and we may or may not do it again in the future, but that's not important. What's important is getting 9 points back on our spending at grocery stores, because 9 points is a lot, and grocery stores are usually the biggest spending category in households. So if you like getting 9 points back at grocery stores, you should hit the like button, and then you can subscribe to the channel too. I'd really appreciate that a lot. So the card that's giving us 9 points back at grocery stores is the Chase Freedom Flex. The Chase Freedom Flex is considered a lower tier beginner's card, a cash back card with no annual fee. And its specialty is that it has rotating categories where you earn 5 points back on your spending, and these categories change every quarter. So it could be things like restaurants or gas stations or Walmart or Amazon, things like that. That's the big thing that separates the Freedom Flex from all the other cards. And it also has a few other ways to earn points. You could earn 5 points back when booking travel through the Chase Rewards portal. You could get 5 points back on Lyft rides, but that's temporary and that expires at the end of March in 2022. You could earn 3 points back on dining, 3 points back at drugstores, and then 1 point back on everything else. But what makes it great for this quarter is that it has 5 points back on grocery stores. But they also have a new cardholder bonus. So if you've had the card for less than a year, you're earning 5 points back on grocery stores anyways. And these different bonuses are going to stack on top of each other. Now, before you say 5 points plus 5 points equals 10 points, well, let's talk about how these points are calculated. Chase calculates you get 1 point back on everything regardless. And then you're going to get 4 bonus points on top of that. So you get 4 quarterly bonus points, and then you're going to get 4 new cardholder bonus points. So you're going to get 1 base point, 4 quarter points, and then 4 new cardholder points, equaling 9 points back. Now that's a great return for something like grocery stores where we can put so much spend on our card, but we can't put infinite spend on our card at the grocery stores. There is a limit. The limit for the quarterly bonus is $2,500 in the quarter, in the 3 months. Once we spend that $2,500, the 4 bonus points go away, and then we'll have our new cardholder points, and we'll still get that 5 points back for the full year, or up to $12,000. So we could spend that $2,500, we'll get 9 points back, but then we got the $9,500 getting 5 points back for the rest of the year. Now, if you don't have the Freedom Flex and you haven't got it in the past 24 months, now is a great time to get it, because you'll get a sign-up bonus, a welcome offer of $200 after spending $500 back in the first 3 months. Add that to our quarterly bonus and our new cardholder bonus, we could get 44,500 points in the first 3 months pretty easily. Now that'll equal $445 in cash back. And if we wanted to transfer these points to the Chase Sapphire Preferred and redeem them for travel, we could get $556 back. Or if we have the Chase Sapphire Reserve, redeem them for travel, we can turn that into $667. Or we could transfer them to an airline or hotel partner. So if you're not sure that you can make $2,500 in spend in 3 months, a few things you could do is you could stock up on things that you're going to get anyways, non-perishable stuff like cleaning supplies or canned goods, things like that. You can also buy gift cards. When you're checking out, you'll see little gift cards at the checkout, little Amazon gift cards or Apple gift cards, Starbucks, things like that. Some grocery stores will let you buy those with a credit card and they count as purchases made from the grocery store. But we don't want to overdo that. If the credit card companies see you spending $10,000 in Starbucks gift cards, they're going to cut you off and shut you down, maybe turn off your account. So we don't want to abuse that system, but put in a little spending on the gift card occasionally shouldn't be a big deal. Then this may be a good time to catch up with a family, your friends and loved ones, go spend some quality time with them at the grocery store. Then at the checkout, you just put it on your card and then your friends can pay you cash instead. And you'll put their purchases on your card. So if you're interested in getting started with the credit card game and reward points, this is a good time to get the Chase Freedom Flex, build that relationship with Chase. You get a bunch of points, you get the sign-up bonus, and great return on your spend at grocery stores. I do have some links down below that you could look at. Really appreciate if you were looking for the Freedom Flex. You could use those links if you wanted to. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you're getting 9 points back using the Freedom Flex right now, or if you're getting 5 points back on the quarterly bonus only. You can hit the like button, and then you can subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. And then I want you to go have a good day, alright? Justin out.